Hello everyone. Today we will discuss about what is class and what is object, how we create a class and how we create an object, and using object, uh, how we can fetch the information about the class. So, we need to know about what is class first of all. So, definition of the class is: class is a logical construct that defines shape and the nature of the object. It is a blueprint of an object, and object is a instance of class. It is a physical entity. So first of all, we need to create a class. So how we need to create to class? So we need to open the Eclipse, and under the Eclipse src folder we need to create one package. Anything package will be name, any name you can give. So under the package we need to create one class. Right click, new class. Class name should be anything, like I will write class example. Mm, okay. Public static void main. Finish. So class will be created, and it is a main method, right? And we need to create another class. It is a main method, so we need to create another class called student. Class student, we need to create a class. The class name will be student. Class is a keyword, so class student. So after that, class will be created, and under the class we need to define the data member of the class. So student is a class, and data member or variable is like student name, student roll number, and student department. So write the variable or data member of the class private student, not student, private int id, not id, roll private c string. Name will be string, data will be string name, and role name and department will be string. P control space, the suggestion will there, private string control space cs control space, suggestion is given, string department dept variable. So here the data member, these are the data members members of the class. After that, we need to create constructor. Why? Let's see. Constructor definition. Constructor is a special method that is called whenever object is created by the new operator. We'll see this line later, how we will call the constructor using new operator. So it is a block of statement, is used to initialize the instance variable. So our instance variable is role name and department. So we need to initialize we need to initialize. So how we initialize? Using constructor. So we need to create a constructor. So there is a rule of making a constructor. Constructor rule is name of the constructor should be same as class name, and return type is not applicable for this constructor. In function we need to return something, so but in the constructor we need to not to return anything. Return type is not applicable. So constructor name will be same as class name. So public student, it is a block of statement. So it is a block of the constructor is created, right? But we need to pass the variable. To initialize the instance variable we need to pass the role and department and name. So we need to create parameterized constructor. So it is a now it is a zero param constructor. So we need to create parameterized constructor. So we need to pass the parameter int role, comma, string, name, comma, string, dept, department. So parameters constructor is created but not initialized. We need to initialize using this keyword, this dot role equal to role, this dot name equal to name, this dot dept equal to dept. Okay, this is referred to the instance variable. So constructor will be created. It is a constructor. Constructor. So we will see the what is class, what is data member of the class, and what is constructor. It's clear. So after that we need to display the information of the student. So we need to create one display function. Display function will be void. It does not return anything, but one SOP line is there. So we need to create a display function, void display. Need not to pass any value for this, just SOP line sys out and roll, roll number, roll number equal to plus roll plus name of this name of the student plus name plus then dpt, sorry, department, department, department where as dept. See, unused package there. Okay. So after that, we need to create object. How we create an object? So we need to write the class name. Student will be class name. Student student s is what? It is a reference to an object, equal to new new student. See, student will be there. Yes, so we need to pass the value. It is a parameterized constructor, that's why we need to pass the value. So first will be roll will be 1, and roll 1, and name will be anything like mm, sham. Okay, it is double quotation, it is a string, right? And department will be like bioscience. Here is a one error because semicolon is not there. Yes, so that's it. uh, then the definition will say it is a special method that is called when object is created by new operator. So object is created using new operator, the parameters constructor is called this. The definition will satisfy. So we need to call the display function. How we call the display function? Using object reference. So reference will be s dot display. The display function is called. And one more thing to do in this line allocates the memory for student object. Why? We need to if I need to allocate memory, we use the new operator. So this line allocates the memory for student object, right? If I save this and run this code, so roll number will be 1, and name will be sham, and department will be bioscience will be print. Let's see. Right click, run as Java application. See, roll number is 1, name equal to sham, department equal to bioscience. There is no space in there. Let's see. Space is required. So given. See, that's it, guys. So in this class we will in this class so we will discuss about student and object. That's it, guys.